best behavior. Okay, Nick, show us the sign. Are we ready? Oh, here comes Sandra. Ready?
Penny, penny, bag.
Okay.
One day when Penny was fetching along the leaves, an acorn fell out of the tree and struck her on the head.
Goodness gracious me, the sky is falling. I must go tell the king.
So she went along and she went along and she went along until she met Cocky Locky.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, where are you going, Penny Penny? I am going to tell the king that the sky is falling. May I go with you? Yes, indeed.
So Penny, Cocky Locky, and Cocky Locky went off to tell the king that the sky was falling. They went along until they met Cocky Locky.
Where are you going, Penny Penny?
Cocky Locky.
We are going to tell the king that the sky is falling.
May I go with you?
Yes, indeed.
So Penny, Cocky Locky, and Ducky Loki went off to tell the king that the sky was falling. They went along and they went along and they went on until they met Lucy.
Where are you going? Penny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Locky. We are going to tell the king that the sky is falling. Yes, indeed.
So Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Locky, and Lucy went off to tell the king that the sky was falling. They went along and they went along and they went on until they met Ducky Loki.
Where are you going? Penny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Locky, Lucy. We are going to tell the king that the sky is falling.
May I go with you?
Yes, indeed.
So Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Locky, Lucy, and Turkey Looky went off to tell the king that the sky was falling. They went on and they went on and they went on until they got Cocky Locky.
Where are you going? Cocky Locky, Ducky Locky, Lucy, Turkey Looky. We are going to tell the king that the sky is falling.
Aha!
This isn't the way beautiful Kelly. Come with me and I'll see your shirt.
They went along and they went along and they went along until they reached Foxy Loxy's cave. And they all went after Foxy Loxy. From that day to this, Turkey Orky, Goosey Lucy, Ducky Loki, Cocky Locky, and Penny Penny have never been seen again. And the king has never been told the sky is falling. But Foxy Loxy and Mrs. Foxy Loxy and the 7 little dogs still remember the fine feast they had that day.
Come on, all come in. And say wow. Okay, let's have all of 1C come up front and take one final bow. Is all of 1C up there? One final bow. Yay! Now, 1C, have a seat right there. And we'll let 1S and 1F go, and then we'll get ready to go home. Thank you for coming.
Go home!
Sorry, guys. Sorry, birds, guys. We see the actors and actresses. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Very nice. Go ahead. Nice job, one. Just Penny Penny. One seat, just stay here. Thank you, Hannah. Stay here, Jess. Sorry, guys. We're actors and actresses. They've been waiting all week for those cookies. These are kind Okay. Nice job, guys. You did another fine job. They did well.
I'll get extra.
Look at that.
I'll get extra.
And Tracy's
Or more.
I'll get extra for my mom. Get extra for your mom.
I've been there. Still don't have anything in my life. Okay, have a seat right here, and I tell you what, I don't think this little cookie's not gonna hurt your lunch, because you aren't gonna get pizza probably for another 20 minutes. Okay, we're not gonna share the ones we passed out. And Crystal, I don't think, none of these went on the floor, right?
No.
All the ones that fell on the floor are back there, right?
Yeah.
They did a little sliding act before our play. So we picked those up. Those are on my desk. So if you would like it, do. Oh, is it right here? And you focus it on right here. I wish that were me.
Why do you got your
Take it just a little bit. There you go. They are, aren't they? They're not going to ruin your lunch. They're small. Okay. Did you take one for Kevin? Here, honey. You can take one for Kevin. Here you go. Just take one. Anybody here want a cookie? 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 Want a cookie? We have lots. These can go on the floor. Now after we This is going to have lots of pictures, huh? Good. 5 minutes, we'll go to lunch.
I'm hungry.
Come here, Jacob. We'll take it off. You're Mrs. Fishman. Come back.
Can you stay for lunch?
I might stay, yeah. I'm not gonna eat, but I'll stay.
Right here. Wait, hold on, Angelica. Face the door. Now, how about Packers? Get your lunches and you get to go to the front of the line. they like to just sit with mom all by themselves, and that's okay too. Rosemary. Cassandra, did you pick someone? You picked Megan. Okay, good. Angelica, did you pick someone? Crystal. Okay, so we're all set? Good. When we get down there, there's a special table. And usually we have a guest, they'll let you go ahead. So we go ahead and get in line and get your lunch. The rest of us have to wait. Alyssa too? So silent, Alyssa? Okay. All right, I think we're ready. Are you ready? Quiet, ding down. Are you ready?
One nugget. No hands. What's in there?
Ready?
Okay.
That's peanut butter. I'm not bothering you. Hey, Mom.